Today is Sunday, August 17th, 2025, and it is, or it was, it's the nighttime now, but it was Yom Rishon, first day of the week, 23 of 5785, Parshas Re'eh. And the Daf Yomi for today was Avodah Zarah 60, or is Avodah Zarah 60. And this is the PL-89 quantum gematriatic thought calendar based on planet Kochav Chama, which is the Hebrew word for Mercury. And it holds in balance the sun, the moon, the Julian calendar, and now it has some ideas about whether or not to include the Islamic calendar, and the results came up and said it should be Islamic calendar. So now it's officially an Islamic calendar also. So let's see here. Today's date, Islamic calendar. So we'll start with today. Is Safar 23 in the year 1447. So there's another thing to the equation. So August 17, 2025 is Safar 23, 1447 in the al-Qur'an calendar. So what does 23 have to do with 35? I'm not sure. But it has to do with, it's very close to 24. And so it's pretty close, it's one off. So that's interesting. Because on the Gregorian calendar, August 17th is 24. And so it's right off the one off from Safar 23. And the point of this calendar is to find gematriatic connections that happen today on the box of the day. Sometimes they're amazing, sometimes it's a little bit harder than others. But today the find will be that I went to celebrated someone's birthday, and the person turned 33 years old, and that rectangle is right here. See, it's right next to box 24, 33. This is today, and the rule is that if it's one box over, you can count it as the same box. And the other thing is that yesterday, so today it's on the Hebrew calendar, it was the 23rd day of Av. Wow, that's interesting. So the Islamic calendar is a solar calendar. It's the 23rd day of Safar. And that is next to, okay, so the rule of this calendar is that you can add 40. Always add 40. Any box, you can add 40, ad infinitum, and that will take you to wherever you need to go in terms of that number. That's how you can get all the numbers here, because it's only 1 through 40. So if you add 40 to 35 and keep on adding, one of the numbers you're going to hit is 515. Very simply, just go 35 plus 40, 75, 115. And then all you have to do is add 200 each time, because 200 is 40 times 5. So instead of adding 40 each time, you just go, let's hear it 115, you can just go 200, it's 315. Add another 200, 515, 715, 915, etc. But in this case, 515 was very important, because the rabbi spoke about the number 515 yesterday, and we're in box 35 today. And the rule is that you can take one box and connect it to the box next to it. So those are two connections for today. There's a few reasons why I included the Ishmael, the Islamic calendar. And Ishmael is very important because someone asked me for a gematria. He said the number 451. And he said first said Israel, but then I said no, it's Ishmael. He's like, yeah, you're right. because I happen to know that Yishmael is 451, and that also connected to something else, but that also connected to me including the Islamic calendar in this calendar. And I think it's to make peace with on all levels. I think that's the reason.